What does it actually take to make something that looks like it was filmed in front of a studio audience in 1994?
I come bearing pizza and bad news.
Is the bad news that you ate half of it on the way home?
That's actually unrelated bad news.
So, funny story.
You're already living here in spirit, Carl. Don't make it literal.
Multi-camera, flat, even lighting, that unmistakable sitcom rhythm, without a camera, an actor, or a set. That's what we're building today, from a plain text script to a finished, generated shot list that actually read 90s sitcom instead of generic AI clips. I wrote a short original scene for this tutorial. Two roommates and an unexpected guest in a cramped apartment. Follow along with the workflow step by step and grab the link or deal in the description before we start. Go to Higgsfield and select Cinema Studio. Start a new project in Cinema Studio. Before touching AI Director, set up your reusable assets. This matters more for sitcoms than almost any other format, because the entire joke of a sitcom is the same handful of sets and characters showing up week after week. Build Deb, Nate, and Carl as characters, and the apartment as a location. Here's the prompt I used for each character's Deb, Nate, and Carl. Then we will generate a location. So I will paste this prompt for Apartment Studio. Once all assets are generated, now go to AI Director. It reads your script and turns it into a numbered, camera-ready shot list automatically. This is where your script goes. Before pasting your scene, write one line that tells AI Director what kind of show this is. That line is multi-camera 90s sitcom, 3-camera setup, live studio audience energy, flat, even lighting. This single line sets the tone for every shot it generates. Hit Generate and let AI Director build the shot list. For my scene, it came back with 6 shots in about 30 seconds. Shot 1, wide establishing shot. Wise apartment living room. Deb seated on the couch folding laundry. Full set visible. Shot 2, medium shot. Wise apartment living room. And Nate entering from the doorway holding a pizza box, mid-stride. Shot 3, 2 shot. Airf apartment living room. Allard, Deb, and Nate on the couch. Reaction beat after the pizza line. Shot 4. Medium-wide shot. Apartment living room. A Deb crossing from couch to the front door. Shot 5. Wide shot. Rear apartment living room. Door open. Carl in the doorway holding a cardboard box. Hopeful grin. Deb in profile in the foreground. Notice it automatically tagged the characters and location you built in step 1. That's why you build the assets first. AI Director can only tag what already exists in your project. Review the shot list before doing anything else. Do not click Generate on any shot yet. Read the list the same way a script supervisor would. You can click into any shot card and rewrite the description. AI Director's output is a starting point, not a final answer. For this scene, I left all 6 shots as is, but on a longer scene, you will almost always trim or combine a few. The key thing AI Director is doing here is translating what happens in your script into what the camera sees for each moment. That's a real directing decision, and it's the step that separates a coherent scene from a pile of disconnected clips. Set genre to comedy for the whole project. Genre is a project-wide setting in Cinema Studio. It shapes pacing, motion energy, and how the model approaches framing across every shot. Set it once at the project level and it applies everywhere. So this is doing real work before you touch a single camera move. Second, the camera move on each shot. Set camera move per shot. This is where most creators go wrong. Higgsfield offers dozens of camera movements, and it's tempting to use them. For a 90s multicam sitcom, don't. Real sitcoms were shot on locked-off studio cameras. No dolly, no crane, no whip pan. Here's what I assigned. Shot 1, camera move, static. Shot 2, camera move, static. Shot 3, camera move, static. Shot 4, camera move, pan right, follows Deb walking to the door. Shot 5, camera move, static. Before generating anything, scroll the full shot list one more time from top to bottom. This review costs nothing. Fixing a generated clip costs credits and time. Once the list looks right, generate shot by shot. For each shot, your final prompt is the AI director description, the camera move, the genre, and the lighting line stacked together. For shot 5, the hero shot, that looks like this. Apartment living room. Door open, Carl revealed in the doorway holding a cardboard moving box. Hopeful, eager grin. Deb in profile in the foreground. Wide shot, eye level. Camera move, static. Genre, comedy. Flat, bright, even sitcom lighting. No film grain, no lens flare, no shallow depth of field. Sharp, video-style image. Multi-camera studio broadcast look.
So, funny story.
You're already living here in spirit, Carl. Don't make it literal.
Generate, check each clip against its storyboard frame, and regenerate anything that breaks character or set consistency before moving on. So, that's the full pipeline. Build your characters and location first. Run your script through AI Director to get a numbered shot list. Assign genre and camera move per shot, then review and generate scene by scene. The same 4 steps work for any sitcom era. Just swap the wardrobe, the set dressing, and how much you let the camera move. If this was useful, the like button genuinely helps the channel, and subscribe if you want the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.